Okay, subtracting fraction from a whole number. So in this method, subtract natin ang whole number ng 1. So 7 minus 1 is 6. And then, subtract natin itong numerator and denominator. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And copy the denominator 4. So the answer is 6 and 1/4. Next, 10 minus 2 fifths. Subtract natin ito ng 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. And subtract 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And copy the denominator 5. So the answer is 9 and 3 fifths. Next, 9 minus 5, 7. So minus 1, 8. Then subtract again. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then copy the denominator 7. 8 and 2, 7. So what is 4 minus 3 eighths? Comment down your answer.